Mm-hmm. Maya. Hi guys, good morning. As they come, they share, they put like, love. This video, let's analyze one video here. You know, say everything when some bad influencer or bad live video presenter. Now our people they clap on. Hey. They not go say me they correct that person. They not go say let me correct so person. They go begin to clap and follow on. Okay? So you get one. Where's my earpiece? Morning, sweethearts. Morning, Grace. I love you. Let me remove one for earpiece so that we can hear clearly. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, say yeah. Morning, Faith. If you hear me, say yeah. So, can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? I love you, Faith. Can you hear me? Una dey hear me, Abi? So, una know say yesterday, yeah, if somebody they do wrong thing, let us correct that person. That's why you will see the clapper for Ekobete say you are the best in a dosaba space. No. And I know say now when we get misunderstanding, I have to be correcting her for the nonsense. When they do, when you know they realize what they do say bad. Una dey hear me so? So the thing where they look and make they misbehave for a platform there, now go they correct them. Way for the get them wrong, way for the get them right. Okay? You get one Igbo family where get problem. When they analyze yesterday, and now you go their page, the people put their problem aside. Anybody can pick and chop. But they didn't say you should come and insult their mother or their father or their family. That place Ekobete, they get everything wrong. People pour their anger aside. Instead of you to tell them where they are wrong, you are not telling their mama Ashawo this. Call it people's mother Ashawo. Una dey hear me so? Guys, share this with you. Let's go. So if you have problem with the people or the poor things there, it's for you to tell them where they for error. All those your fans, they are looking at you, clapping and putting love alike. When they know you dementia. When they know say dementia they your brain. Because if you do not get dementia, you cannot just sit down like that, start insulting people that don't insult you. Start bullying people doesn't bully you. Guys, as they share, pull love alike. Mona they pull like okay? So that we move. Okay? And if any English they there, oh, thank you, sweetie. Thank you. Thank you. Since yesterday, you have been blessing me. God bless you. Okay? See, if anywhere where lobolobo big tongue made mistake for video where you do yesterday, I'll tell you now, say, as a mother, you're not supposed to do this one. You think Monica don't want to do saga with who? You should come now. Do you think I'm running for Monica saga? In saga self, I like her. We'll use her where we'll so agbada, so kind, we'll wear her. So, me too, I don't want to do saga. I want to be correcting her for the nonsense way they do for social media. Like I said before. Okay, this video now I'm about to play. She's the one who made the video yesterday. Okay? And he say he picked the matter for street. Let me throw where she gone. Me, I'm not going to chuchi gum like now they hear me so. Are you where they listen? Anywhere where you know say you do error, just right hand there. Don't be afraid. Because live video presenter, they know they chop people. I'm here to correct her. You understand me? Let's go. Because they was clapping her for her.
Everyone. Are you a family or family member? When you check online, you see what
I think you hear gorilla calling another person gorilla. Please listen to me. Don't come here to distract me. If not, I block you. I use God beg you in the name of God. I beg you, don't come here to distract me. Let's analyze another problem when Ekobete carry analyzed yesterday. Are you hearing me? So don't come here, I don't want to block you. You understand what I mean? I don't want to block you. If you don't want to listen, that's why all of you people are getting it wrong. Any rubbish you say, you're okay, it's okay. You can catch, you can't catch me. Are you hearing me? You can use it to put this thing. Guys, I want to be seeing my platform with love and like, please. Okay?
You talk about me. Anybody talk about this matter? I block you. I block you. I reckon that I block it, guys. I block you.
You see, guys. He went tongue big for mouth. He's mocking someone else. He went get the largest tongue. Are you here? Okay. Okay. That's what I'm doing. I can do my video with this one. I can do my video through a video. Not so all of us did one. Which one you want to command me? See the way it was mocking. I can block you. I can block you. You don't know the father before. Just on social media you see them. I can block you. You that have a big tongue, you are laughing people. Let me block you. Because I don't want let me remove you from EFS. You know, I'm not looking for you get that from me after I open you. After when I don't finish. You they hear me, they look me for fire. I block you. I block you. And you won't come and like nice people video. You know the hear? You see the way they go around, they look for people trouble. It's searching for where trouble not be.
No, glory, take it easy. Take it easy. Me, I said no, say, the way your family take desperate. Just here, say one person make money for...
You see what she's saying? Family, when you not enter, you don't know, say, they did desperado. Who did desperate reach this woman? When it come on like they beg, upon social media money, not belefua. Who did desperado reach her? You see where with some analyzer they get her wrong? You there? You see where some analyzer they get her wrong? He say, no, say family did desperado. You and they not quarrel before. Just to carry their video and use it to teach your fans. The error way they did, now you're supposed to use, they teach your fans. Instead of that, you are not insulting the family that you don't know from Adam. You just see them on social media. Something has to stop it. You know? I think when I say Esther now, Esther, when he say make come up for husband, I say, he will destiny the kiss for party. When I'm telling you something, what I know, you people will start arguing. If you want to mock Esther, Esther, Ekpa, what the road do I mock? Mona, wait, let's go.
Your mama, your papa, your brother, your sister, all of them. Now, waiting, people will do like that for social media. Now, waiting that they get that. When you are too greedy, is this social media?
Are you not greedy? Are you not greedy? People don't know the meaning of greediness. Who can tell me the meaning of greediness? Can you explain the meaning of greediness? This big tongue way they call people greediness. Are you not greedy? Copyright your video. Is it not greediness? Is it not stinginess? You will copyright your video, copyright people's music, copyright people's children, copyright people's page. Are you not greedy, Ekobete? Are you not greedy? The queen of tongue. Are you not greedy? You are not telling another family, I know you people are greedy. And they are putting love alike for you. Then
we sit down our own. You and your sister. Kuli kuli. Una bring una family matter. Where we they they use torchlight, they look for the gold.
You see, Anna?
Reality.
He said that they look for people, family, with touchlight, they go. Okay, I see, can't see the one when you cash. Why can't you use your brain? Why can't you use your sense to analyze the video and teach your viewer what's the problem there?
Plus mama, brother, the whole family. What happened for 1960? Una they talk and you have the impetus. You have the guts to say, anybody take a package, I will package, I will package your dick, I will get a trick. Now, wow. People on social media, they do even ahead where we see goro. They let people even drink water, not to talk of you. When your mama, they tell you, come and build that, come and buy a house, don't take care of a man. No wonder. If you see people...
Listen to me. You say, people when use social media make money, they let person hear word. Why be say, you let person hear word? You let person hear word for those bastards. You let person hear word for those bastards. You will say you make money and buy house cash. You buy motor cash. Do you let somebody hear what? Hello?
Too wicked for social media. Even when you never touch them, they just feel like I build fame myself. Nobody say they don't first see something make them can't be like that. Now they don't get nothing from this social media. Good evening, my people. Share this video.
Do you think it's everybody that will have something? We come to say, I have it. But they don't get money past you. Have you ever seen where that Asian woman come to say, I have it? The head tutorial, they don't get money past you and your husband. You don't see what they do. You don't see those one come to say, I have it. You that don't have it, that's why you are making noise. You don't have it, that's why you are making noise. You understand? Yes. Yeah, this is what she have been doing. It's not now they against the thing. Because it's another people. Just to bring that family down. Guys, share this video. If you are not share, I'm not going to analyze. I know it's too early, guys. Share and I want to be seeing bang. You understand what I mean? I want to be seeing like, love, and all that. Okay? If not, we go back to where we are coming from. Unanona, Maya. You understand what I mean? I just want to put sense there because I don't want when you block me when I blocked when you told me not to fight. With where? With the old one? Is it with the old page? Is it with old page? Who is this? Let me see your name. After I will open you, okay? With the old, because I didn't own that one. Because I just want to, okay, I'm looking for something. Hold on. I didn't own that one. I don't want us to be wasting time. You understand what I mean? Share. Tell them to share, guys. But we are not joking here. And I want to be seeing your love like. Okay, let's go. All right? Okay, I will open you.
Wait. We are here to talk about Nurse Glory. Nurse Glory. Let me go to call and say she say she be social media.
The old page is between Sopaika Tosh, Esan Tosh show.
Before this family. Now, so two of them gather they bully one woman.
Yeah. It's between Sopaika, Esan Tosh show. Okay.
Okay. Excuse me. Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah. I know all that.
Now, so they bully one woman where he says she Epa Eddie.
Mona, they listen.
Any little thing, I take it down, not knowing that you guys will die inside body. Una not make people making
you see, let's these people the queen of tongue is talking to. their family, the same father, the same mother. You understand what I mean? The family that is using content creator, be what they used to enrich themselves. You understand what I mean? That's people who is talking to now. One senior one. Thank you, Grace. God bless you. Since yesterday, I love you. You dey hear me so? This one a family, or the same father, the same mother. He won't enter inside.
Come make una that town
You see, huh?
in this matter,
He say he remains more making pie that time.
We talk family matter. We go advise your mama. We go advise you. No, glory.
Mona, una go listen here and tell advice in mama.
Okay, but sometimes when he come out for una mass, if he ash, now so we go still ash for you.
You dey hear, huh?
I know they.
If people words are harsh, do you supposed to be harsh or to give them point of correction there? Hello? If somebody is harsh on live video, maybe they have misunderstanding with family member or whatsoever, it's for you to correct them, not to harsh.
Yeah, I'm gonna party. That pattern give me show.
Nasia, he never even starts to the analyze video that is not belongs to her. He start insulting the people. He's telling them to keep quiet. He's bullying them like he have these two people in mind before. This JJ Bini will be useless woman when for those abasps. Is the one that bring the insult to the Edos. Una dey hear me so? What of these two people now said to them come fire them? They will call that they will come see our Benin people. They'll come they jump up and down like lizard.
Jerry. Even people when they report person, people every year they get problem for social media. They na Regina. Okwe entity no rena mai ekego okwe. When my Zuckerberg for your to say, I don't tire.
You don't see how?
I don't pay again. We go they talk entity.
Zuckerberg tire, no fit pay again. Thank you, Jane. Zuckerberg don't tire, but you don't try for your body now. When you did lay down and you were so useless. You were useless when you were not you don't have any. I want to put the English. You come UK before you want to turn to Begwe. No work. Fans, give me. You see the insult Zuckerberg. No Zergbon, no Mawe. It's not good to be local. Okay. Let me tell you guys.
So my people,
it's not because you go to school make you educated. Do you know that? Say education don't mean you are wise. There is different wiseness, educates. You understand what I mean? And mumu. Iyo na mumu. Obi gwe. For to when know how to read small. Any small course. Any small course. It means he don't have sense. It means he's too local. Illocability, locamiemie. He's a useless person.
I don't even know the one where we go fair here from.
Amebo.
Golly come out today. He talk a lot of things that is so pathetic.
Hey.
Then Sister Kuli come out also. That one also talk a lot of things that is so pathetic. You can see that they are not back to back.
Sister, two sisters.
If you say blood is thicker than water, it's a lie.
You see, huh?
The moment
area scatter.
Miss that blood.
Hey, go spoil.
Blood is thicker than water. When
my people, don't let this idiot to manipulate you guys. Two sisters they can fight. Two sisters they can quarrel. Two sisters they can break each other head. But how will you know that blood is thicker than water? And now when they reconcile. When they reconcile, let another people join them to be fight now. You see they will reconcile in time. They will not join together, start fighting that person. That's why they say blood is thicker than water. You that is watching me, you never fight. When they talk, so you never fight with your brothers. You never fight with your sister. There was once reject from your family. This one, so. The queen of tongue. It was once rejected from your brother. That I newly start live video. The brother don't want to see her. Or the sister don't want to see her because it was bringing the insult to them. Now, it's not like blood is not thicker than water. Is that the case inside the matter? Or you are trying to analyze the matter and correct them where they're wrong? Easy. That's why some brain, like this one, my brain not correct. I greet you. You understand?
You never come out for body. When water never miss her. You see all these terrible things these two people have said to each other.
Let me tell you guys. Now lie. You lie. You be area scatter. That's what you wanted to do to Destiny. You want to go and scatter their house. That's what you wanted to do. Let me tell you. Two sisters might have misunderstanding. Fight. By the end of the day, they will still realize their mistake. Instead of these idiots to tell them where they get it wrong. It's not a they cannot settle. This family destroyer, this family milikoto, who can enter family and scatter them. Who can lie? The matter will not resolve. If not be we can they say, Esther, not go away from your husband. No, do. He don't already enter there. He want to make sure Esther come. When Esther come, go say, no.
Say two of them go meet themselves for inside prison. Finish.
You see what is reaching. You see what is reaching two sisters. They should go and end up in prison. And the fans, they are clapping her for. Ekobete is witching family to end up in prison. Is that how to analyze somebody's video? Is that how to put sense for the two sister brain? This one is brainless. All what she know how to do is saga meal, saga no good boy.
So this one there with iye-eki, this one there with iye-eki.
You know they finish iye-eki. How? You know they finish iye-eki. Now we know they hear English. Edo. Iye-eki means bola. You know they finish bola. You know full of bola. Not yes.
Nose glory. One of the thing where I know say be nose glory problem na iye-eki.
You see her? Let me hear word. Hello? Are you okay? Make I eye you first. You say nose glory like iye-eki. You say nose glory like bola. Wetin make you dey sleep with rubber? Is it not because you like bola? Wetin make you go buy bola rubber? Is it not because you like it? Why can't you exercise patience? You don't like it, so let your natural husband to deal with you. No, you want to be support with a rubber. You say nose glory like a kia. Hey, now wow. Abraham, I see you.
It not be say it be bad, but on this show we are going to be talking about everything so that she check herself because it's obvious. If there is not a total depression, there is a distraction depression on us.
You understand? Distraction, okay. Depression, dinana.
If there is no total, oh, mommy boy, he call mommy or butter mommy leg. Mama send that country or just why
bribe corruption.
God bless you all so much, my people.
Bribe corruption.
Let me share this video.
I will be a birthday.
Tell make I drunk go weekend mode. You use and take do weekend this day. I will check my roster. Me, I don't go drunk, go weekend.
Point of correction. It's not roster. Do you know English way talk there? I'll check my roster. It's called rota. It's not roster. Do you people know what is the meaning of rota? Where you write your working, where they book you, you know, if they book you for work. It's called rota, not roster. No roster, yeah? Tico leads to start school.
You understand what I mean? So, kuli they talk many things. Kuli, oh, na depression of loneliness. You cannot easy. Okay? And depression of desperado. She and her mama get kuli and her mama, they get one kind of character. Like
let her go from finish. Smoke will not too take for you. Una dey hear me?
Everybody character is different, can't be the same. Everybody focus and target and pursue in life is different. Kuli, sister Kuli and their mama have almost the same kind of character in desperado. Why no goli?
Keep quiet. You don't have the desperado character. You don't have desperado character. Why are you fighting all the live video presenter? Is it not because you are desperado? Eh? Is it not because you are desperado? You say with your mama get the same character. Are you not having your mother character? Character na ya when your mama takes scatter your papa house. When we say the wives wait me for your father house, so they give your father depression. He buy your papa. Is it not the same? Desperado. I beg.
That one, ekia na problem, ekia ulika na there problem.
You see her? He said the girl like ekia. Listen, he said the guy like bola. They lick bola. Are you not too licking bola? Is that the case they have? Is that the problem they have? Guys, listen. Intelligent people, I'm talking to intelligent people, not mumu people. You they hear me? Is that the problem two sisters have? No. Is it the problem of Ebola? No. Instead of this idiot to bring the case to the table normal and tell them where this one wrong, where this one right. He's saying they like bola, the lack of bola. This one like bola, this one lack of bola, this one like bola. Is that the problem? Is that the problem? Do you see? That's why when I don't want to be joining them to do saga, because sometimes when they are talking, they talk out of brain. Some are brainless. Now, invite me. We will be any video you do for our platform. I will start analyzing it. You understand what I mean? Oh, wow, I'm not going to get up for you. No vessel. Sorry, guys. Hey, you go, I will show you. Which one? This one? Touch it. Sorry, guys. I go show him something for gas. Okay. You understand? Instead of her to teach them what they don't know, is that telling them they like bola. Why it be say married woman? So bola na be problem. Eh? And when open window, I beg, yeah?
Show and wonder. You know when you make money, when you are making money, all those people, una there, una we play tell those days. You go they make money, or both go they give you money. After some time now, you come on to ayomosi.
Can you imagine?
You will come on to I get, I don't get again. It's part of waiting the worry knows glory. Not be say he don't bankrupt, say he not just get to. But
he still gets.
They come from before. You don't less way.
Why is not mocking that girl? Because Facebook is not paying as before. That's why I say money be they come for heaven and earth. Now the money is likewise you. Even us glory, where he stay rich for life video, he never come and beg. Rather than they give. But you are there making money, you are still begging. You are still begging. Yeah? I buy my house cash. There? You are still begging.
Less. So now that time now I don't take open in Zekwa will be the Zekwa for their family. So let us listen to them.
They listen.
But does it really matter? What do you mean that does it really matter?
That one right now, it won't cause that one.
What do you mean? Does it really matter? How will I know which one you mean now? You mean to talk about the issue? To talk about the issue is very, very matter. 100% matter. In short, it's going to be an episode and a series. So
can you imagine?
How can you bring this type of dirty, where to social media and you will say
the dirty when you don't pack put for a dose of bad space, who they challenge you?
This type of matter, they go beat you joiner. You will get out where that which where the case not taken.
You not here. I go which way by.
When they report you to with social media people, you don't say nobody have the if I slap your dirty man, just they pray, say me I dey busy. If I not dey busy, if I slap your dirty man, your teeth go through away, you go buy another one.
Can you imagine?
You understand? So
you see who here say they do like go think they go fit beat person.
Not on that ground, but if you take on that ground, I wait till it go be na you get that. One we know we get it. So today she thought say if mama be want seduce a man, then you can't say me people know. You
don't know whether na content that they call duo. You don't know. You don't carry. You don't carry. You buy a for you.
Make we fell listed to Kuli Kuli. Then we'll go listen to the senior sister.
Go ahead, fast.
Makes sense. But
because we not go sleep here.
Point of view. Okay? Let us listen to Sister Kuli Kuli fell. Let me draw and go for. You know, me I put on for
keep
speaker.
spending, and you didn't know that the money, you are not even checking how much that was going out. And you go on social media and paint it like you partner.
Wait, let me connect so that when I go the year where.
If he connects, I will tell you now where this girl error. When you not let her talk.
If we talk and he go beat
you dey hear me? Listen. I just want to use it to teach you something, not the one in the do there like rubbish. They say, thank God you said it.
Okay, let us start. Also, Google block a
Yes.
Or we both laugh and
he doesn't want to invest. A man that has no land to his name. A 49-year-old man with nothing. A 49-year-old man with nothing.
No, not just listen. More listen to Kuli Kuli Sumo.
If he had so much, why can't he be? Why is he only Kuwait and Philippines he's been traveling to? He should tour the whole world now.
How many people know that? Listen to me. How many people know that Oyibo people, not Nigerians, so not Africa. How many people know that Oyibo prefer to stay for rent and start traveling up and down? How many people know that one? Oyibo prefer they would rent, but they want to tour the whole world. They want to take their wife, their children to travel everywhere. How many people know that? How many people know that one? Say Oyibo, they prefer to rent and travel everywhere. Now his sister won't come job and say, your husband don't have anything. Your husband don't have service. Your husband like travel everywhere. Let's see how Monica Tito put for you.
People are saying, I'm jealous of my sister money. Which money? She should post how much Facebook is paying her now. She should post. Within her, she don't get $30,000. in a row.
You see this sister, even though his sister have $30,000, he will come and tell you. You when they watch me so. How many times you don't tell your junior sister or your senior sister how much is in your account? If you know you always do that, tell me. But me, I cannot tell my sister how much is in my account. Even my children will not know how much is in my account. Even my husband, he will know how much is in my account. Then, his sister wants, make his sister tell her how much is. Do you think you have in your account? You, if you are that kind of person who they chook eye for somebody's property or thing, deviate from there.
We are just concerned that one day Facebook, like as if we're seeing the vision, Facebook money will drop and it has dropped. Why is she not going crazy? I think when you listen to your family, you will not be disrespecting our mother online every day.
Listen.
I think when you listen to us,
let's listen
you would have done something in your husband's country, not even in our country.
This girl now said, if you get money, you for not the disrespect in mother online. You know, you're not the yarana. Mo go.
We said, do it in your country. Start a Nigerian foodstuffs in your husband's country.
Are you the one?
Listen to us, but you can't let that man. He will say no.
Can you imagine? Let me tell you guys. Like this girl now, he said they advise his sister, make he open Africa shop. Yeah, you go buy something, go and sell it for the man country. You understand? And are you the one that will advise your sister? Your sister don't have brain. And he said, and he quotes, he said, if they tell their sister, her sister have to take the case to her husband before call. You have to tell your husband, say, see what I want to do. Your husband will say, no. He don't want. Maybe I want to do something and my husband say, no. He don't want. I will rest. Not be so. You understand me? It's not good.
Because you still want to be in support of traveling, not sending your kids to school. So why are you telling us to mind our business?
You
now
have to.
Who take care of the children? Now me? Now when?
You have to mind your business. Okay? Because a man that gave birth to a child, he know he pikin go school. A man, husband and wife. You understand? Husband and wife will be say that they live together. That they live together. Now you're her husband. Sister, they throw money around with your husband. They don't know say their children they will lose future for their children. Now you won't come tell them, do future for your children. Not do future for your children. Listen to we be family. Don't listen to your husband. How many of you marry black when they listen to your mama and papa for you? Tell me. Una when marry black, how many times una will ignore una husband, listen to mama and papa? You dey hear me? How many of una listen to una mama papa forget una husband? More na the right time. More na they listen to this guy. Say, wetin this guy they talk? Is he right? He right? So his sisters should listen to them. I ignore his family. More na remember say husband and wife na be family. The rest what you don't when the others will not be your family again. You are now another creature.
Money no one day she will go to Nigeria, go write board exam to come and start afresh as a nurse. What is a crime? Okay, what's the crime? Saying, oh yeah,
oh, it's a back door.
Keep kicking against everybody's idea. Even Abuja.
You are not the one. You are not the one who's supposed to advise your sister what to do. You start kicking against you people's idea. No. He have his own husband. He know nobody will know past mother. You know the best to give your children, is it? Like me, I know the best to give my children. So that tomorrow they will not suffer. Are you hearing me? Are you listening? Muna can't hear the one way actually. You see the way they analyze on the corner. Muna will hear actually just now.
Invest something. Okay, enviable. That's the Obi Kubana group with Keke. Do something, no. She will agree. But when she tell her husband, the man will say no. And that is final.
Yes. He's right. He's right. If you tell your husband, your husband will say no. Because now her husband. You want your sister to go do company of a keke nape. Make it bring money. That money, is it for you or is still from your sister? That money that they will be the business will be bringing is still for the Oyibo and your sister. You understand what I mean, guys?
He thinks maybe when they are investing, they'll give us the money to do the
You're not late, come.
No. Now go do one with your name. It is still your name. You will use and do the investment. They are not even giving us cash.
You see,
Okay, since
you are not giving us cash. When they hear that language, it's not that you are giving us cash. You are not giving us cash. Do everything with your name. You see this kind of people, yeah? When you do something with them, they will find something to delete you and inherit all those things. You people are learning something from here. This one is the first sister. Do business. Do this. Do that. Do that. You know your sister will never stay there. They travel all over the world.
Serbia now. Do it in Serbia. Do the business in Serbia. Have something.
What it cause their problem?
You know how we the one eating
they
the money
listen to what in the talk.
Like,
What it cost
like
fight,
the
now they
rich
talk so.
in the night.
What it cost fight, now they talk so. Say, nos goli. Okay? Nos goli not get investment, not get land, he not build us, he not do nothing. Say, nos goli social media money we make, he husband they shop am. So they try to tell her, invest here, invest there, he no here. That he went to Nigeria, that is Nigeria where he goes, so he go they do impression, he go rent house for 15 million for rent. I don't know, it be like
Person will not get money. Then they rent us for 15 million. Person will not get money. Then they rent us for 15 million. The woman know what she's doing, know her family. He said no house, no this. You get house. He said they work for your husband. You yourself, your social media money, Ogbeti. You not be you they take buy car for your husband. Moto, not be you buy her for your husband. Le book will be your husband. Beg.
say now a year. He rent tax 15 million a year. At the end, not even stay there now. Okay? They say that 15 million may carry and go Port Harcourt. Even though just say he go fit build us.
15 million when person don't spend. Now he won't collect for the hotel where they go take and do investment. Person where if you spend 15 million, you think say not get money for accounts.
Don't do.
Good morning.
They say do this one farm, do that one business, do this one. If you tell your husband go say no. So he go say make it bring him mama come Dubai abi na Sabia, no where. He no fit do one. This one called the do one. Now all those things. Knows glory still talk say.
All hands they are not equal. If mama want me to carry and go Dubai, the girl not do one. You can't do one. Is it not the same mama me and you get? Hello? If somebody now tell me say, mommy B, carry your mama go. If I say I know the carry my sister can't carry her, is it not the same thing? Is it not the same thing? You go just enter people family, they scatter and they go. Your brother and they go. Is it not the same thing? You wait, they watch me so. You fit carry your mama, your sister not fit carry. Is it not the same thing? You carry me carry, is it not the same thing? Still they talk about her, still not get to.
He get another of their brother being at their sister, I guess so Uche. He can say no, they fit take care of Uche again. You know, they fit take care of Uche again. Make this one carry Uche, make it they take care of.
Can you imagine? Make it carry out. You know, say when you know our Africa mentality. When you marry Igbo, they want you to carry out their responsibility because say you marry to whites. Now Uche, you go come carry Uche, join the children, join. Una say they not they do well, but they still want me carry Uche, carry mama, carry papa. Are you getting it?
Play by a husband, marriage, fighting, everything. We just they listen.
Flying. On whose money? And because say the money, imagine you are in charge of my sister finances, and you don't know when the money reduced. You keep spending, and you didn't know that the money, you are not even checking how much that was going out, and you go on social media and paint it like people are so rich.
What did you call this one? Is it no longer truth? Is it not jealousness? When you start monitoring your sister husband accounts and your sister accounts, they say the husband he take from the account. He don't know if it's less. He don't know if it's gone. That one is longer truth now. Are you hearing me? It's longer truth. If your sister is making money, your husband is spending inside the money. It's not supposed to be her sister's business. Face your own. You are a woman as well.
Clap for yourself. Okay? Clap for yourself. We have seen the richness in your body. You understand? We have seen how rich you are. I've been
Some family can jealous.
House, your country. No, okay, guys. If we are disturbing her so much, why not the man ask her, buy a house?
Yeah?
You understand? Buy a house in my country. Now wait.
You hear her? He say if the man say, then they disturb their sister too much. Why the man not tell her me buy house for them? Is it not what I just said just now? Say all this one they find heritage where they won't inherit. Is it not what I said? If you open company, his sister know, say he get bad family. If he buy house, they will collect it. He want my sister open business. Whose business? Keke na pay business.
Live there. You see she and her husband. You guys should
Sister Kuli, please. Next time, try to make your baby sleep now. Feed and where when a boy picking. You know why your boy picking? All of them where they get boy picking. Now they do like it. They're not belly food.
Maybe they are doing prank or content. Yeah. It might be content. It might be this.
Load them with food. Before you come live, if you even put water.
You know those are bad space. No prank. No content.
You go come live. No quick you feed picking well.
The thing when to make me they use our video. You get nyama when you put for you nyama.
You know say we the day if we want listen that can cry day.
Thank God say you don't talk to the day just now.
Get as they do us. Not be only your age mate one listen. This one general public matter. Where your sister say your mama na wish, say your mama be one seduce your husband. Say your mama title way. You know where panty go inside where your husband be. This type of matter now I'm sure people they talk. Hey momore not bring pikin come again. Mona they feed to na children, you and your sister. Now not they feed boys children. They make no hungry. Because of ota. Facebook, and everybody. Or yard belevo, yafo, get my Zuckerberg, no, why I work when you phone.
Listen to where we coming from. Okay, since you don't want to buy in Nigeria, okay, buy in your husband's country.
Now they listen.
Sometimes, the way some of them be reason, it could be like say they fresh water for gutter, pour them inside. You know how gutter water they dirty. Some of them when they support nonsense for this social media, we go see through, we go talk am. You understand? It be like say
no, kuli, stop to the generalize insult or
they look at more
nonsense. Will not bring come. Okay, I know. Say you guys are in a family distress right now. I really they feel for una, but so you mean when it's una family distress?
They listen. No,
we should have correct break. When you were insulting,
shut up, Monica. Keep quiet there. Keep quiet there. The girl says some. Bye, sweetheart. Bye. You know, the girl says some. He go count. Thank God say, you know, say brain not correct. He go count himself join this song. The lady, he go take cause the lady with his mama. They look cool. Quick, Nana. Video don't turn to insult.
Eating for my family. So you don't have sense that time. You don't have sense. Gutter water down your head that time.
You see her?
It don't mean should not body now. Now
You
let
see
your
her?
mama be mama. Glory not be mama.
You see her?
Glory not be person mama. Take your time, oh. Me, I be person mama. Not be because say they cause your mama now all social media water there our hair. You the grace.
You see her?
Who was pass your
Keep
mama?
quiet. You don't know how to talk. You don't know how to analyze people's videos. This girl say some people will carry this video. Come when water dey their head, they will come they analyze. Because you know say water dey your brain because you will not know how to analyze this video. That's why it's sexual. Immediately you react to it. You start insulting somebody that you carry his video and you want to use it on your platform to make money and you want to analyze that to use it to teach your fans. What are you doing? Insults. You are insulting. Is that what they will learn from your stupidity there? You start insulting his family, which that's what they know you for. When are they listening?
Sit down, come they talking. His first daughter matter for where witches and wizards day, for where everybody they look for food.
It taken like personal now.
Who was past your mama? Your mama when nothing talk to his children for inside phone, for inside house. Your mama when they give 500,000 monthly allowance. Oh yeah, who?
Una the year.
He made their markets. They take by themselves, they look for 20,000.
Una the
They'll
same.
take feed, they'll take
Echo
back, they'll
better.
still pay something out of it. What are you saying?
Echo better.
See the way all of una they talk. This one help this one, this one help this one. Wait till your mama they look for what God now do for them. How many women go fit put one for chest for Nigeria? Say all the 9 children we are born, all of them help themselves.
Yeah.
What are you saying? Your mama,
Listen, una see her. This girl just talk small thing now. He won't take us go finish in mama. They let you know. This the thing actually they do when no good. When he fast, no one correct them. When you are talking, you are analyzing people's video. Analyze it with sense. Correct the person. If you know say the words that he use is not correct, what you supposed to do? You correct it. Then make
I ferry that place. The way I go flog it that in nyash. You go cry. The one where knows glory they do your mama. If you know quick carry your mama enter as kulu.
you see her?
Your mama go shop general or from strangers. Because I know they like ungrateful and long throat.
Keep quiet, oh, lobolobo bunwa. Are you not ungrateful somebody? You are the most ungrateful person I haven't seen in my life. You say you know they like ungrateful person. Are you not ungrateful person? Keep quiet there. You don't know how to analyze anything that will insult. Eh?
For this is such mama. Una never go there, but una don't they go there now. Una don't they go there, una mama te also take kokuna. Yes. Because if your mama 500,000 monthly, He no fit appreciate such pikin. The one wey never reach him hand, na him dey look for. The abroad wey never reach him hand, all his children dey abroad.